In this video, we'll show you how to record audio on your Pixel phone. To record and save audio, turn your speech into searchable words on screen, or search through recorded audio files on your Pixel phone, you can use the Recorder app. From the home screen, swipe up from the bottom to see all of your apps. Tap Recorder. To create a recording, tap the red Record button at the bottom of the screen. Now your phone is recording, even if the screen goes to sleep. To stop recording, tap the red Pause button. To name your recording, tap Add Title. To save a recording, tap the Save button. If you don't want to keep the recording, tap Delete. After you've made a recording, your saved recordings will be visible on the main screen of the Recorder app. If you want to play an old recording, tap the Play button next to the recording's name. To make a recording full screen, tap on the recording's name. In the full screen view, you can move forwards or backwards within the recording. If the recording contains speech, you can also view a transcript of the recording. To share a recording, tap it and then open the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Choose if you want to share the recording as an audio file or transcript from the three-dot menu. You can also create a video clip of the recording. You can also choose to share by email, other apps, or nearby share. You can also search within your recordings for words, phrases, or sounds, like music or applause. To search within a recording, tap the Search button and type in what you're looking for. Now you know how to record audio on your Pixel phone. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.